Hey teachers! Welcome back to Chalkboard Wisdom, your go-to for quotes that make teaching even more magical. I'm Professor Chalky, and today we're celebrating something truly wonderful, diversity in your classroom. Let's honor every student's unique story with 7 quotes that inspire inclusion, understanding, and joy. First up, diversity is a beautiful mosaic of differences. This quote reminds us that every student brings something special to the classroom. Encourage your students to share their traditions, languages, or family stories, and create a culture wall where they can display what makes them unique. Celebrating these differences creates a vibrant, beautiful classroom. Number 2, our differences are our strengths. This one's all about embracing what makes each student stand out. Highlight how diverse perspectives can lead to amazing ideas, like brainstorming a group project where everyone's background adds a new layer of creativity. When we value differences, we build a stronger classroom community. Here's the third. In diversity, there is beauty and strength. This quote encourages us to see diversity as a gift. Organize a diversity day where students can bring in food, music, or art from their cultures and share what makes them proud. Seeing the beauty in each other's backgrounds helps students feel valued and connected. Number 4, we all smile in the same language. This one's a reminder that despite our differences, we share universal emotions. Teach your students to connect through kindness and laughter. Maybe start a smile chain where they pass a smile to a classmate. Smiling together builds bridges and creates a warm, inclusive space. Number 5, the world is a garden and every culture is a flower. This quote paints a lovely picture of diversity. Create a class garden project where each student designs a flower representing their heritage and display them on a bulletin board. This visual reminder shows how every culture adds beauty to your classroom garden. Here's the 6th. Unity in diversity is the key to a peaceful classroom. This one's about finding harmony while celebrating differences. Encourage teamwork by pairing students from different backgrounds for activities, like a buddy reading program or a collaborative art piece. When students work together, they learn to appreciate each other's unique strengths. And finally, every voice matters. Every story counts. This quote wraps up our list with a powerful message. Make space for every student to share their story, whether through a class journal, a show and tell, or a storytelling circle. When every voice is heard, your classroom becomes a place where every student feels seen and celebrated. So, there you have it. 7 quotes to celebrate diversity in your classroom. These ideas always remind me how amazing it is to learn from each other's differences, and I hope they inspire you to create an inclusive space where every student shines. Which one resonates with you the most? Let's share our thoughts and ideas. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. Which quote will you use to honor diversity in your classroom? Or share your favorite way to celebrate your students' unique backgrounds? Drop it in the comments below. Let's keep spreading joy and inclusion in our classrooms together.